welcome to Solver. My name is Janet and in this video I am going to tell you about volume and capacity of cube. As I have discussed in the previous video, let's see the difference between volume and capacity. Volume refers to the amount of space inside an object. Volume is measured in cubic units. Capacity is the quantity of liquid the object can hold. That is, the amount of liquid we can pour inside that object. And capacity is measured in liters or milliliters. Now let's see the volume of a cube. What is a cube? Cube is a box-shaped object with 6 square faces which are all of the same size. Some examples: Rubik's cube, dice, ice cubes. Cube is also a cuboid with equal length, breadth and height. Since cube is a cuboid, volume of a cube is equal to length into breadth into height, which is same as cuboid. Since length, breadth and height are equal, take it as edge or side A. So volume of a cube is equal to edge into edge into edge. That is, A into A into A is equal to A cube. The volume of a cube is equal to A cube, where A is the edge or side of the cuboid. Let's see the examples. First one. Anju went to a shopping fair and bought a perfume. It was in a cube-shaped bottle with each edge having a length 5 cm. What is the capacity of the bottle? In this question, we need to find the capacity of the bottle. So, before finding capacity, we need to find the volume. The volume of a cube is equal to A cube. Now, let's see what is given in the question. Edge A is equal to 5 cm. So, volume is equal to A cube. That is 5 cm cube is equal to 125 cm cube. Now let's see the capacity. As per the metric system of measurements, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cm cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cm cube. And we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 milliliter. That is, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So the capacity of the perfume bottle is equal to 125 centimeter cube, which is the volume, and that is equal to 125 milliliter. Why? Because 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So 125 centimeter cube is equal to 125 milliliter. Next example. A cubical milk tank has side length 3 meter. How many liters of milk can be filled in the tank? Again, we need to find the capacity. What is given in the question? Side A is equal to 3 meter. So the volume of a cube is equal to A cube. Substitute the value. 3 meter cube is equal to 27 meter cube. That is the volume of this cube. Now, as per metric system of measurements, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So the quantity of milk in the tank is equal to 27 meter cube, which is the volume. So we know 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. So 27 meter cube is multiplied with 1000 and we get 27,000 liters. Next example. Rohit is starting fish farming. He constructed a cube-shaped fish tank where each side measures 6 feet. Find the capacity of the fish tank. Given side A is equal to 6 feet. Volume of a cube is A cube. that is 6 feet cube equal to 216 cubic feet. As per metric system of measurements, 1 cubic feet holds 28.31 liters of water. That is, 1 feet cube is equal to 28.31 liter. 1 feet cube is equal to 28.31 liter. So the capacity of the fish tank is equal to 216 feet cube is equal to, multiply this with 28.31 and we are getting 6114.96 liters. That is the capacity of this fish tank. Now keep these things in mind. Volume of a cube is equal to A cube, where A is equal to edge or side of the cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 cubic feet is equal to 28.31 liter. That is, if the volume is in cubic meter, multiply with 1000 to get the capacity. And if the volume is in cubic feet, multiply with 28.31 to get the capacity. So that's all for today. Happy learning! Please subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to get all the updates. Like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.